Welcome! If you've been missing Snapchat messages or not getting alerts for your snaps and chats, don't worry. You're definitely not alone. Sometimes notifications get turned off or set incorrectly without you even noticing. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to allow alert notifications for snaps and chats on Snapchat using your Android phone. Let's get straight into it. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all your device-level controls live, including how apps send you notifications. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Depending on your device, this might also be labeled as apps and notifications, but it works the same way. Now find and tap on Snapchat from the list of installed apps. If you have a lot of apps, you can use the search bar at the top to find it faster. Inside the Snapchat app settings, tap on notifications. This section controls everything related to how Snapchat alerts you. Next, tap on notification categories. This is where Android separates different types of notifications, so you can customize them individually. Now, look for snaps and chats and tap on it. This is the most important category because it controls alerts for incoming messages and snaps from your friends. Finally, select Alert. This ensures that Snapchat notifications will make a sound, pop up on your screen, and grab your attention immediately instead of staying silent or hidden. And that's